Turn me up. My. Oh, you gonna get it now.
Right, so what I did was I brought the Jeep to Warren in the meantime. He's busy there with the bike, doing the relocation of the oil cooler. So basically what's going to happen is going to move from there. It's going to be mounted on there somewhere. So they've straightened that bar for me. The back subframe is quite a bit more straight, so it's a lot less obvious now. But my arse is itching, so I brought the Jeep so that they can get the exhaust sorted for me and one or two little things. I might just ask them to do a quick service while it's here, and got a price on that, which is actually not bad at all. Like you guys saw another clip, need to get the top control arms also replaced because those bushes are a little bit stuffed. So maybe while it's here, I'll see with Warren what the implication is going to be of doing with the costings. But yeah, next time we hear this, hopefully it'll sound a lot more like the black one. Got a nice exhaust tone to it. So yeah, that's it for now, I guess.
Hello YouTubers, it's the Mad Professor again, let loose. So today Ryan has dropped off his new toy, an old Jeep, and I've taken the exhaust system out and found a few things wrong. Chunk missing out the exhaust, blocked cats, and a rotten exhaust system with a monster hole in it. So he has entrusted me to do some funky work, and he wants the car to go brap. So we'll try and give him what he wishes. So this is what it sounds like without an exhaust. So a bit of a progress update on Ryan's Jeep. I've got the exhaust back in, and yeah, it does help if you turn the light on, eh? Silly chop. I've decatted, both cats were blocked, and then I've got to put a little support in over there. And yeah, and then we're going to put the silencer, and it's going to go brop 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 brop. Problem is I can't make it go properly brop brop because it ain't a friggin' rotary. Hello. Yes, it's me again. So, time of thing. Does help if you do it right, eh? Is that proper enough for you?
on here.
No, it's not.
What? It's in the old
Anthony.
screw. On that.
I need that nut now. Anthony, shut up.
Those days when you like.
Well, take your outer side. Okay, that one.
No, cop, Jesus. I'll drop the front. I'm making a video. You want the language with it?
Periscope.
Jeep on the floor, Jeep on the floor.
So I fitted some LED lights the other day into the Jeep. This one is not really working, so bought a new set for headlights and for the fog lights. But the one issue that I had is this thing was semi crispy, so just bought a replacement, the same I have on the bike. Quickly wired it in. Got some new silicone park lights. Other side's plug is still okay, so I'm just going to leave that, and then put the new lights in the headlights and in the fog lights, and then I'll show you guys. Okay, first start after the new exhaust has been fitted, or the extra 2 little silence lock. Much better. Much better. So now it sounds a lot more like the black one. So, just fitted those 2 little silencer boxes, which actually came off an Audi RS4 Avant. Thanks, Andre. Yeah, so that's all good. Sounds much better. It sounds a lot more like the black one does. Nice solid tone, not too obnoxiously loud, and hopefully it takes that the kind of reverb in the inside the car away, because that was quite hectic. Okay, so now we're going to put the turbo on, and then we're all done. Right, it's all done at Warren. Car sounds awesome. Sounds a lot more like the black Jeep, which I'm happy with. No more droning in the car.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Shut up. So very happy with it. Next up, what I'm going to do is, so obviously we've got this spare wheel cover, but it looks horrible. It's burnt by the sun to shit all around, and then look, there's like mold and fungus and shit growing in there. So I'm going to take it off. There's just the 2 bolts in there to take off, and then this front cover swings open, and then I'm going to take that off. There's also a lock nut on there, on here, which I want to take off, so I don't have the key for it. But then I'll show you how gross it is in the actual where the tire sits. So like I said, you've got the 2 bolts there, and then this little thing swings open. But just look at this. It is terrible. I don't know what even is growing inside there. So there's the lock nut. I want to take that off. I might not do it now, but let's see if we can get to without taking the entire wheel off. Okay, taking the wheel off, because that's not, I'm just going to cut this. Really not in the mood to take this entire thing off. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, well, can't get that off right now, so cutting it. Just look at this nastiness. What the fuck? You see, this thing hasn't been off in I don't know how many years, but way too many if you ask me. You know, let me quickly get this off. Well, that went well. Yeah, this thing was kind of not bonded to the tire at the bottom. It was, this thing is so nasty. But brand spanking new tire, which is always good to see. What is the manufacturer's date on this? I don't know, but looks cool. That's all good. So I'll have to just give it a nice clean. Oh, we still need to do the valet on it, so I'll give it a nice clean then. And obviously I need to get that off as soon as possible, because if I've got a flat, then I'm gonna be stuffed. So anyway, I think that's gonna be it for this video. It's pretty much where I need it to be, besides the damage and the bumper and on the doors and so on. I mean, it's reliable, it runs very well, it sounds amazing now. So let's see. But anyway, that's it for this one, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what else you guys want to see done with this thing. And I'll catch you in the next one.